Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Temperatures have made it into the upper 60s and even lower 70s earlier today. Now we're starting to cool into the mid 60s. This is at the airport in Huntsville reporting still that mostly sunny sky, but the sun is getting ready to drop below the horizon in the background there. Wind out of the southwest at 10 miles per hour. It's been a nice warm breeze today. Tomorrow, not the case. The wind is shifting direction behind this cold front, ushering in much colder air. You will feel the chill this weekend. Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network still quiet for the time being, but look off to the northwest. There's the cold front. There's some rain associated with that farther to the north. But for us, we may squeak out a couple of sprinkles tomorrow. I'm more concerned about that very, very slight snow chance. We may have a few snowflakes. It doesn't look like it's going to amount to anything, and it doesn't look like it's going to cause us any problems. All that being said, make the most of this evening. Temperatures in the upper 50s by 7 o'clock. By 8, we're down into the mid 50s, but still pretty quiet through the first part of tonight. And through the second half of tonight, that's when the cold front comes through, and that's when things start to change. So here comes that front on future radar. I'll take you through the rest of this evening. Here comes all the way through early tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock. There's the front. It will have cleared North Alabama off to the southeast. Notice these lines here. This is indicative of both the wind speed and the wind direction based on how fast these lines are moving. That's a north wind, and we've already got that colder air starting to move in. But look behind the front. We've got a little bit of moisture still holding on here. And aside from a sprinkle, that's all we're going to see during the day tomorrow. And the clouds can try and clear a little bit temporarily. But through the afternoon, here's 3 o'clock, this little band of snow tries to scoot towards the east here. It looks like it's going to fizzle by 8 o'clock. This data source causes this to flare back up through the first part of the overnight into very early Sunday morning. There's 2 a.m. and then all of that continues to track eastward. This is an outlier amongst data sources. I'm showing this to you because it is the most extreme solution. Most data sources are not showing any accumulation at all with this. You may have a few snowflakes and something that you may notice tomorrow night, but I don't think it's going to cause us any travel problems for early Sunday morning. Forecast temperatures, you can really get an idea of how cold it stays through the day tomorrow, because here's 7 a.m. temperatures starting in the low to mid 40s, some of us in the upper 40s. We're still there pretty much by noon. And as we get into peak of daytime heating, what is usually the peak of daytime heating, our temperatures are stuck in the upper 30s and lower 40s, and then they just come crashing through tomorrow night. Waking up Sunday, temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 20s, but most of the moisture will have moved out by this point, meaning most of the cloud cover will have moved out. You'll get some sunshine in here to close out the weekend. Doesn't make a whole lot of difference because we struggle to hit the mid 40s by Sunday afternoon. Tomorrow looks like this. Not much of a mention for a precipitation chance here, but notice the temperatures in the 40s all day long, and we keep more cloud cover than blue sky. Here's the next system for us to really keep an eye on. This is going to be the chance for severe weather on Thursday, starting with a few showers initially here with a warm front lifting to the north. Look at all of that warm, humid air. That's a south wind being pumped in here, pumping in that moisture, raising the humidity, setting the stage for severe weather on Thursday. So we get rid of most of that for Friday, but I just want you to be aware of the fact that the Storm Prediction Center has already highlighted an area that basically the western half of North Alabama is included in. So this is going to be what we're watching for you in the coming days when it comes to the risk for stronger storms Thursday. At this point in time, it's a 70% chance of rain and storms. Notice the temperatures. 68 degrees Thursday, 48 degrees on Friday. Valentine's Day in between looking pretty good. Highs in the mid 50s.